Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about Karcher WD5. According to your point of view,
First option for dusting. What is that? I know most of you will answer in mop and broom. But really, vacuuming is a much better option for dusting of our house.
vacuuming is very nice because we get a deep cleaning from it. And we get rid of inhaling the dust while brooming. And due to many other health aspects, vacuuming is much better than dusting and mopping. Although it takes a little bit more time than dusting or mopping, approximately half an hour or 15 to 20 minutes at least, but the result we get are amazing. So if you are also planning to purchase a vacuum cleaner this year, I am presenting the demonstration of Karcher WD5. So what I got on unboxing of Karcher WD5, a removable handle we fit in a suction hose. The next thing we got is a approximately 2-meter long suction hose, as you can see here. Thereafter, Karcher has given us a flat folded filter. As you can see here, flat folded filter we fit on Karcher vacuum cleaner. Without this flat folded filter, our vacuum cleaner will not work. That's why flat folded filter should always be fit in our vacuum cleaner. Thereafter, Karcher has given us a crevice nozzle. Crevice nozzle very effectively cleans the areas which can't be cleaned properly by floor brush. The areas like corners of floor, dado, and it also cleans cobweb also effectively. Thereafter, we are provided with a floor brush which is very effective in dry as well as wet cleaning. It can also cleanse carpets very well, and it can suck the dust of the carpet nicely. And here we are given 2 suction pipes. Karcher provides us this much accessories only. Although these accessories are enough for a good cleaning, but I have purchased one more brush, suction brush of Rodak company for wet cleaning. We can see suctioning of water through this transparent nozzle, so that, and thus we have an idea that how much wet is our carpet till now. That's why I have purchased it from Rodak company in 800 rupees. I have purchased 2 more brushes. One is for grill cleaning and this one is for upholstery cleaning like cushion covers. But grill cleaner brush is not very necessary. And the work of this upholstery cleaner brush can be done by this transparent nozzle also effectively. Although these brushes are also available in Karcher company, but the cost of Karcher company brushes is a bit higher, actually much higher, and Rodak company brushes perfectly fits in Karcher suction pipes. Now let me show you how to assemble Karcher WD5. On the rear side of the vacuum cleaner, you can see this black part. I have already assembled it, but you will assemble it by pressing from top to down like this. This part is provided us to collect all the parts which I have shown you here earlier in one space. And now this flat folded filter is fitted in this black part, and one thing is you should pay attention on one thing, that while dry cleaning, this flat folded filter must be dry, and after every dry cleaning we can wash this flat folded filter, and thereafter perfectly dry after perfectly drying, we can reinsert it in this black portion and use it again. But this flat folded filter should always be fitted in Karcher vacuum cleaner, because without it our Karcher vacuum cleaner will not work for either for dry or for wet cleaning. And we will fit is by pressing this button like this, and we will remove it also by pressing in the same way by pressing this button. We can insert the crevice nozzle directly into this suction hose, or we can insert any upholstery brush or any nozzle after fitting removable handle, thereafter fitting suction pipes on this removable handle, and thereafter any nozzle we can fit, and this will give us the full length of for working. If we have to work on standing, then we can assemble all these accessories. To insert the removable handle in this suction pipe, it's very easy. We have to just press it in the suction hose and it's fitted in it. And to remove, we can see two buttons, one on this side and one on this side. To remove it, we have to press these buttons and we have to pull it out after pressing these buttons. So it's very easy. As I have fitted this removable handle in suction hose, now I am fitting a suction pipe in removable handle, and thereafter I am fitting my crevice nozzle in this suction pipe. Now let's assemble our suction hose in vacuum cleaner. For this we have provided two areas, one for suction and one for blowing. By pressing the button of suction hose, we can insert it in the suction area, and in the same way we will insert in the above area provided, which is for blowing, and we will take out this suction hose by pressing the button, and again by pressing the button we will fit in it in blowing area. And for dry cleaning, it is suggested to fit this filter bag in this area, but I don't use it for dry cleaning also. But to make our vacuum cleaner clean inside, it is suggested to fit this filter bag in this area like this, and we have to buy these filter bags after filling this one. This filter bag is not reusable or washable. We have to throw it after filling, and we will have to buy new one from online. And thereafter our vacuum cleaner will be ready for dry cleaning after fitting the above portion in it. When we will fit it properly, then it is must to lock this above portion by this handle. This handle is a lock for this vacuum cleaner. Now we are going to fit our suction hose for dry cleaning. The suction power of this vacuum cleaner is much more in comparison to Indian company Eureka Forbes. Here we are given a button. In this button, one side is the sign of drops and the other side is sign of dots. When we press the drops side button, then these rubber pads are coming out, and this is made up for wet cleaning. And if we press the dot side of the button, then these rubber pads will be disappear, and only these brushes we can see, and these are used for dry cleaning. So we are ready for dry cleaning when we press the button at dot side. And look like this, I have pressed it at drop side and it is ready for wet cleaning, and here it is, these are dots. When I will press this now from dot side, then I am ready for my dry cleaning. So let's begin for we will start the machine by pressing the button on towards 1. Here two numbers we can see, 0 and 1. When we press on 1, then our vacuum cleaner starts. So this was the dry dusting by this vacuum cleaner. Now I'm going to show you wet cleaning by this vacuum cleaner. It's very nice in wet suction.
ऑन कर दिया, ये देखिए देखिए
So you can see the power of wet suction of Karcher vacuum cleaner. This bucket was approximately 20 liters bucket, and this vacuum cleaner have done this suction within seconds. This vacuum cleaner is quite heavy, approximately 8 kilograms is its weight, and even having its full length, it can't reach up to the roof, so fan can't be clean with it. Always keep in mind that you have to remove filter bag while wet dusting. Now don't be confused with the similar names like filter bag and folded filter. Folded filter will be there always, either in wet or dry dusting, but folded filter will be always, but filter bag will be removed in wet dusting. Filter bag is just for dry dusting, and folded filter is for both wet and dry dusting. To clean our carpet with this vacuum cleaner, we have to spray liquid soap over the carpet, and thereafter we will do suction with the help of the transparent Rodeck nozzle, and after this our carpet becomes as much dry as the washing machine makes the clothes dry after using the dryer of the washing machine. Means at least 3-4 hours sun is needed to completely dry our carpet. So that's all for today. Have a very nice purchase. Bye bye.